Hi friends, welcome to Kids World.
Hi kids. Today we are going to see a new topic. Common words. Okay kids? Come, let's see. Car. Car. Door. Door. Egg. Egg. Toys. Toys. Song. Song. Flower. Flower. Sister. Sister. Water. Water. Table. Table. Day. Day. Home. Home. Box. Box. Kitty. Kitty. Garden. Garden. Baby. Baby. Ride. Ride. Train. Train. Star. Star. Run. Run. Ring. Ring. Apple. Apple. Climb. Climb. Snow. Snow. Lamp. Lamp. Bus. Bus. Okay kids, we will see the next video. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you. Bye kids.